man, oh, there's the new Floridays restaurant and bar. Oh, look, there's like a cute little tiki hut at the back, too. It says a wood-fired grill and bar. Obligatory palm trees. Let's explore.
Oh, this is nice.
Authentic Buffet-type tunes. View of the waterway here. Anna Maria Sound. Very nice. Oh, this is the entrance of Floridays. Now they're giving us our table. We have a nice interior dining room here too at Floridays. Look at all the seafood, shipping, boating memorabilia. That guy looks ferocious. Oh, I just love the Tiki bar and thatch hut here. Thank you. Now here's the menu here at Floridays.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have a Diet Coke.
Diet Coke? I have 2 fresh catches today. I have a swordfish sandwich for $16.95 with a choice of one side. I also have a black grouper sandwich that's $18.95 with a choice of one side. I have 2 soups on the menu, and I also have a Manhattan style seafood chowder available also, okay?
Great, thank you so much.
I'm gonna have the habanero chicken sandwich with fries on the side.
And your side?
I'm gonna have your hush puppies. So relaxing on the deck here at Floridays. Thank you.
Of course.
So this is the food. Okay, so this is the burger.
Yeah. This is the
Cheddar
chicken.
cheese. Okay, that's a spicy chicken and the fries.
Now, what is this sauce here?
It's just a Floridays sauce. It's like our house sauce.
And this is
Ketchup, and these are ketchups.
Thank you.
People have been asking for something to dip the hush puppies in.
Okay.
So this is what we've come up with. This is kind of the best thing, but you might not like it, but I just have been giving it to you. Listen, you can try it.
Okay.
And it's really good to dip the fries in.
Food is always better when you're on the water. Oh, our knives and forks are here. Nice logo. If you want some hush puppies, you better grab them now. We won't want to eat or the calories are too high, so we split. So today we're splitting the spicy 5-alarm chicken sandwich with a burger, half and half.
These hush puppies are very good.
Kind of like Big Mac sauce. So now I'm going to do a taste test of the burger. Medium well. Burger's okay. High quality meat. Well done. What did you think of the chicken sandwich?
I've only taken a few bites. It's pretty good.
You guys save room for dessert?
Power's happening. Now I get the gimmick here. Being able to just waste away in, I think, Margaritaville. Watch the boats go by, get great tropical drinks, bring your boat to the marina, maybe even buy some real estate next door. So Beth, did you enjoy your meal today at Floridays? You did?
Tail wagging